This is the Inrush Current Calculator for motor starting current, which calculates the initial surge current when an electric motor starts up. Let's look at the three input fields. First, we have motor-rated current in amperes, where you enter your motor's normal operating current. Next is the inrush multiplier, which defaults to 6. This represents how many times higher the starting current is compared to rated current. Finally, there's start duration in seconds, defaulting to 0.5 seconds, which is how long the inrush current lasts. For our example, I'm entering 10 amperes for motor-rated current, keeping the inrush multiplier at 6 and the start duration at 0.5 seconds. After clicking Calculate Inrush Current, we get three critical results. The inrush current is 60 amperes, showing the peak current during motor startup. The I²T energy is 1800 ampere-squared seconds, which indicates the thermal stress on your system. The recommended fuse size is 12.5 amperes, ensuring proper protection without nuisance tripping during normal startup. This calculator helps you properly size fuses and circuit breakers for motor applications. Find the link in the description below. This calculator helps you properly size fuses and circuit breakers for motor applications. Find the link in the description below.